Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Sephora Savings Event. The Sephora Savings Event starts on April 5th and runs through April 15th. From April 5th to April 8th, if you're a Rouge member, you get to shop first and you get 20% off. And the great thing is it can be used over and over again during the event. VIB members, that is somebody who has spent $350 in a year, and insiders get to start shopping on April 9th. VIB members get 15% off and insiders get 10% off. The great thing is you don't have to purchase anything to become an insider member. You just sign up and it's free. The other great thing is the Sephora collection, you get 30% off. You can use this in store or you can use it online. It says on their website that if you're shopping online to make sure you use the code YAYSAVE and you get your percentages off. So I wanted to share with you the things that I really like from Sephora, and this is an opportunity to purchase it at a discount if you'd like to try them out. So the first thing that I want to share with you is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Peel. This is my second step in my skincare routine, and what I like about it is you can use it in the morning and in the evening. If you're a little worried about how it's going to react on your skin, you may want to just try it out like in the morning and then build up to doing it twice a day. It's a two-step process. What I like about the product is it comes pre-packaged. So you take out your first step, you smooth it over your face, and then you wait 2 minutes, and then you take the second step out and you smooth that over your face to neutralize. It's said to help smooth texture, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and minimize pores. Next up is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder. I love this stuff. I use it in peach pie now. I used to use the color banana bread, but when they came out with peach pie, I decided to try this out. What I love about this is I have very oily skin and it sets my skin very well, helps control the oil, and it's just a great product. Highly recommend this. The next product that I would like to recommend is the LYS Bronzing Stick. This one's new to me. If you check out my last video, it was the first time I tried it, and I went ahead and did like all the TikTokers do, and I just spread it on my face, and it was too much. It was too much. It was requiring a lot of blending. So I recommend that whenever you use this one, that you use a brush, either dab it on your hand and use the brush on your hand and then put it on, or just dab a little bit on the brush and put it on your face and blend through. It is a really beautiful product. It is great at blending. It's a great color. The color that I have it in is Harmony. I'd like to show you what the LYS looks like. So I'm just going to put it on my hand here, and it blends really nice. Has a nice shade. I'm really glad I decided to take a chance on this one. It is a great product, and it's probably going to become one of my staple products that I use all the time. Next up is the Lancôme Teint Idole Concealer. This is a great concealer, especially for mature skin. It is a full coverage matte concealer, and I have it in 2 colors. I usually take the lighter color and put it under my eyes to brighten my eyelids, and then the darker shade, I can use that to cover over my blemishes. Also, what I like about it is on those days that I don't want to wear foundation, which happens a lot as it gets hot here in Texas, I'll use it as kind of like my foundation. I'll just kind of put it on all the spots that I want to cover up, and that's it. Up next is the Makeup by Mario, the Neutrals Eye Palette. I got this probably a week to 2 weeks ago, and I love it. Has all the neutrals that you could want. Browns, gray, black, love it. You could even use this to fill in your eyebrows, and you could use the black for an eyeliner, even some of the darker browns as an eyeliner. I'm wearing it today, and I just love this palette. Up next, one of my favorite lip liners is the Makeup Forever lip liner, and this one is in the shade Anywhere Caffeine. I'm wearing it right now, and I'll just draw it on right here. What I like about it is it blends really well. It has a matte finish. It's very smooth going on. It's easy to sharpen, which is really important with your lip liners. I have some that when you put it in the sharpener, it's just like you gotta really crank it and it just doesn't sharpen. This one, I don't have a problem with that. I really, really love this lip liner. Next up for lipsticks, this is from a brand that I feel like is kind of slept on. but the brand is Fashion Fair, and it is a Fashion Fair lipstick. And I have it in two colors that I absolutely love. And the first one is Nuditude, and this is Nuditude. And I'm just going to swatch it here on my hand. It's a warm peachy nude. It goes great with the Makeup Forever lip liner. I use it all the time with that. And then the next one is in the color Koi. And this one is kind of like a warm rosy brown. And I really, really like that one. Really, really beautiful. They're very smooth going on. They last very well. They both go great with my Makeup Forever. I've used it with the Pillow Talk lip liner. I have used it with Makeup by Mario's lip liners. They just go really well with a lot of them. Also, I don't know why, but it's just kind of interesting. They're kind of magnetic, so you can stack them and they'll stay together really well. That's really cool. Another product that I really love is the Until Dawn setting spray from One Size. This stuff is amazing, and I think that it's probably going to go into my holy grail of products. It is great. It goes on and it sets your makeup for the day. It's waterproof, it's sweat proof. Now, I will warn you that if you have dry skin, you may not like this because, you know, it does have alcohol in it. But if you have oily skin, it is a great product to help set your makeup and your face doesn't slide throughout the day. Next up for hair, I am using the Oribe Gold Lust shampoo and conditioner. And I have to say that it is worth the money. I fought it and fought it. I have gone on a shampoo and conditioner journey, and I have looked and looked for drugstore, for high-end, just all the gamuts. I was like, this can't be the one that I'm gonna stick with. But I have to say it is a great shampoo and conditioner, especially if you have frizzy hair, fine hair, damaged hair, and you're wanting to get it healthy again. It's a great shampoo. It always leaves my hair feeling very smooth. Just, I love this stuff. It's no joke. It's worth the money. I hate to say it, but it's worth it. For hair tools, I'm gonna recommend the Ionic curling iron. I have one in the 1.5 inch and in the 1.25 inch. This is a great, great curling iron. It has the long barrel, so if you have long hair, it makes it a lot easier to curl. When you have the shorter barrel and you have the long hair, you're just trying to roll it in there and you just kind of run out of room. It gives space for your hair to make the curls. The Ionic curling iron runs for about $150, so it is a pricey item. So this savings event is actually a great time to purchase it. So those are the items that I recommend for purchase at Sephora. I do have some items that are on my wish list that I'm interested in trying out. Some of the things that I'd like to try out are the Rare Beauty highlighter. I only have one highlighter in my makeup routine or makeup bag, and I hear really great things about this one. Every time I see someone use it, it's so bright, shiny, and I would really, really like to try it out. Another item I'd like to get is another Makeup by Mario lip pencil. I have one of his and I love that one. It is so smooth, but there's a color called Dmitry that I'd really like to try out. It is a brown tone, and I tend to wear a lot of nude lipsticks, so I think that it would be a really, really good lipstick for me to try out. I'm definitely on a hair journey to continually try and restore my hair, and I would really like to try out the Color Wow Money Mist Leave-In Conditioner. It states on the website that it is actually great for frizzy hair and dry hair, which I have, and so I'd really like to try it out. It's a leave-in conditioner. And also what's great about it is it does have a heat protectant in it for up to 450 degrees. And so I think that will help me out. I tend to like my curling iron, my flat iron, and my hairdryer just a little too much. So my hair could probably use whatever help it could get. The other item I'd like to try is the Say Dew Blush. I don't have any products by Say, and I've seen several people use the liquid blush, and I'd like to try it in their peach tone. Last time I checked their website, it was sold out, so I'm hoping that it restocks for this event. If not, I will put a notification on so that as soon as it becomes available, they'll email me and let me know. But this is something that I would really like to try and kind of dive into this product line. Something else that I'd like to try, it looks like it's a brand new line on Sephora and it's called Maine. And they have, it's basically like a power base is what they call it, and it has 3 attachments for your hair. So it has the waver, and then it has 2 sizes of a curling iron barrel. And I have thought about trying out the wavy look for my hair, and so I thought this might be a product that I can purchase and try, and then potentially be able to buy the curling iron attachments, but I'd really like to purchase it for the wavy barrel. And what's great about it is you buy the power base, and then you have the opportunity that you can either buy one of the attachments or you can purchase all 3 of them. And it looks like that each attachment is $50 and then the base is $50. So if you just wanted to buy the base and 1 attachment, then it's $100. And I was looking at some of the other wave irons that they have, and some of them, they range from $120 and up. So I feel like you can get this for a little bit cheaper. And then with the savings event, you're getting a pretty good deal. Something that I've had my eye on for a little while is the NuFace toning device. And it's said to tone your neck and your cheeks and your brow area. And with me being 51, I'm definitely starting to see aging on my neck. And I've always kind of had this area on my neck where it's just kind of droopy, but you know, I'll take all the help I can get. This product is about $250, so it's a very pricey item. So I think with this event and the 20% savings I can get, this is probably the time I should buy it. So that's all I've got. I would love for you to comment below and tell me the things that you have your eye on. This is a great way to get an idea of what others like and get some recommendations on things that I didn't even think about. If you're interested in any of the products that I mentioned in this video, I'll have links in my description. Also, if you enjoy this video, I would really appreciate it if you would like it. And if you'd like to see more content from me, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications when I post a new video. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.